I am not sure where we. I think it was something weird that I just kind of didn't want to deal with. Alright, I found somebody interesting. I want to give them a shout out, but I don't want to shut them out too early because then nobody will see them. Not like I have a viewership though. But I want to give them a shout out to like 0 people. I'm gonna leave them on the side there. Oh, I missed Rush's stream. He's called it a night. Kind of sucks that he doesn't do art streams anymore, but I get it. It's a lot to ask. And like a lot of the same shit. Where'd my mouse go? There we go. It's not installed another update. Oh, okay. All right, let's see where I'm at here. There we go. We got the checkup. It should be good. It should be good. Twitch should not complain about my bitrate. It's still complaining about my bitrate. It's like your bitrate is too high. You need to lower it. All right, let me actually try and lower it just a little bit more because I'm still going over. There, I lowered it about 100. And that should put me down below, right around the 6,000 mark. Instead of being like 62, 6,300. There we go. No more bitrate problems, complaints from frickin' Twitch. 7,500. What? Now he's at like 63, 60, yeah, 62, 6,300. Good times. How are you, by the way? It will work, but Twitch complains at you. It says that it's too high, or it's too high, and it says that it's unstable. Manadona, don't know. I guess what, it's midnight for you, right? Something like that. Ugh, it's 12:30. It's fucking 0. It's 0. 0:30 over there, right? That's how that works for 24-hour time. I'm gonna give a shout out to somebody. He's actually live right now too. There we go. Give him a shout out. Go take a look at him. I know that there's like nobody here, but go take a look at him. He's actually learning Unreal C++ from the ground up by looking into the Lyra project and stuff like that. It's really cool. He seems really smart. Really knows what the fuck he's talking about. So yeah, go drop that guy a follow. 100% already did that earlier today. What was I doing again? Right, I wanted to. Okay, so we've got these, right? Comes in, the AI comes in and they essentially just die, right, as they walk into it. So, right, I forgot that I did that. That was weird. Speaking of games, I enjoyed as a baby. I played DK2 today and it froze and destroyed my desktop. DK2? What's DK2? Dungeon Keeper? Oh. Really? There we go. Look at that. Something just happened. I'm not sure what caused that error, but something happened. And I think it has to do with this. What was Dungeon Keeper again? That's the wrong browser. Oh, it is this game. I was thinking it was this game, but I didn't have like a point of reference. Didn't they like remake this and they made it terrible? Is it available on Steam? Or probably not, right? Only on GOG? Remember back when Good Old Games was just Good Old Games? And then they got bought out. And they were like, we will compete with Steam. And that didn't go well. You didn't know? They're if memory serves me, they're technically publicly traded. Yeah, they're CD Projekt Red. To be fair, I don't actually know if they got bought out so much as if they've just always been CD Projekt Red. I thought that they got bought out, but mm, CD Projekt Red was. Oh, okay. See, I thought that it was I thought it was a like a passion project, and then they got bought out by CD Projekt Red. But it doesn't change that they are publicly traded because CD Projekt Red is publicly traded. Yes, you can. But you have to buy it in Poland because I don't think they're not traded outside of Poland. Look. Okay. So Manadona, Dono. I own stocks in the States. I don't live in the States and I am not American. I don't have I don't have an American passport. I'm not allowed to work in America or anything like that. I can buy stocks on on your stock exchange in England. I don't have to live there. You can trade on stocks in most countries without being a resident of that country because it brings money into the country. Nothing's free. It's never free. You cannot buy stock without paying money. Yeah, you need a brokerage, but you need a brokerage if you want to buy on any stock exchange. Yeah, like you can't even trade on the London Stock Exchange without a brokerage. Same with the New York Stock Exchange or the Toronto Stock Exchange. I think or the Nasdaq, which is also based out of New York. What, you think that I don't know what a brokerage is? You 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 don't know much about some of my past projects, do you? It's not live at the moment, but one of my last projects actually leveraged. Butchered the fuck out of that. Let me make sure I'm not signed in. I still have a API with this one. So this will give you like everything. Made an API. I was building a web app that leveraged this API to do analysis, so you could do easy analysis on companies. Problem is that I could never get it. I wanted to back it by ads because I didn't want to charge people for it, and we couldn't figure out how we would get it backed by ads. And it was going to be kind of expensive to operate, so eventually we kind of just put it on pause. But yeah, we were trying to get it. We're trying to do it through ads. We didn't want to do that. I have a question. If you had, say $1,000 to invest, right, lying around, just pretend that this is a world that you live in where you've got $1,000 laying around. Would you have $1 a month extra to, or $12 a year to go, and would you want to pay $12 a year to go to a website that offers a little bit extra uh, information, right? Like, I wanted to make this so somebody who was, say, operating in the States off of something like Robinhood that has Yeah, so somebody off of like Robinhood that's not even paying a transaction fee. They are paying a transaction fee for the transaction, but they're not paying a transaction fee up front. It's hidden from them, right? I wanted somebody like that that's very very um, cost averse to be able to use the platform to be able to build wealth, right? Because the idea is that the idea of the platform was to make it very easy to understand financial reports. Don't get me wrong, I'm not an expert. But if we went over it enough and like looked at had like an AI system and stuff like that that would like review things and stuff like that, we're looking at different ways of doing it. But at the end of the day, we could never get the ads on the platform because we didn't have enough unique content and it was largely generated. And in order to get over the hurdle of that into the world of like actually getting and making enough money off the platform to invest in proper machine learning and like proper like actual financial people to come on, it would be more than our wallets could bear. Hey Sarah, welcome back. How are things? I'm not bad. How about you? I'm upset. Where's the waifus at? No waifus today. No waifus today. We're looking at CG Project Red. I got these errors and I got to figure out how to fix them. You just want to watch me sculpt waifus, don't you? Mr. Rush. How was your stream? I had you in the background, but I had it muted because I was like it was a busy day at work. So Twitch only built their plugin for 5.2. What? Gave Helldivers another go today. It actually went worse. I didn't catch all of it. I just know that you weren't super happy with parts of it when I had to peace out yesterday. You're like ending the tutorial, and that's kind of like when I had to go. So I'm just guessing it just keeps getting worse and worse. Do you know any Python at all? I know lots of Python. My last, okay, so outside of my last job, all of my development jobs have been Python or predominantly Python. Because like I had another job where I was doing a little bit of C++ and some C, a little bit of Golang, some assembler. Yeah. Would it be okay if I asked a Python and Unreal related question? You can ask Python questions and Unreal questions. I don't know if I have the answer for both of them together. This is an engine scripting question. Well, I'll give it a shot. I can definitely do that. I can try. If you ask me, I might have some answers because it might not be as Unreal focused as you initially think. Okay, so the destroy actor is the problem here. You know what? It's probably I need to do this in reverse. So it's probably this, and this would go here, and then I'll pull Amanda don't Amanda Amanda don't Amanda don't Amanda fuck, I can't never pronounce your name right. What they say, bad friend. Get ready for a cup. Oof. It's cup of the night, right? That's a cute little wave. Nervous hipster. Harpist. Wow. Yeah. Fuck that one up pretty bad. I'm surprised she doesn't have more followers. I'm guessing she doesn't play a lot or stream a lot, I mean. Okay, so I have created an editor utility widget. I want to get the selected actor slash mesh with Python. Get the selected actor slash mesh with Python. Like when you say actor, you mean like in the world, or like in the actual world, like on the map, or like in the project. I feel like there's a way to just get the selected actor. Get selected level actor. Find all loaded actors that are selected in the world editor. Sup, Aku. What version are you in, Sarah? Is it actually deprecated or just their documentation's bad for 3.5.3? Oh, what did it say when you ran it? Did it tell you what you should be using instead? I miss this documentation. I do not like the new 5 documentation. So this would be this would actually be more difficult because 5.3 is still so new. Why don't we start with what the purpose is? Like, what exactly are you trying to do? Because maybe I might be able to find a way around it. The options available. Let's. Do you know what I'm looking forward to? I am get selected actor. This is the one we were just looking at, right? It's the one that doesn't exist in 3. Seriously. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Right? And then if we go to 5.2, because it's not in 5.3, right? Disclaimer. The Blueprint API reference is... Wait, it's not in 5.2, is it? 5.1? Oh, shit. Okay, so what we do is we go here, and then we do 5.3. that's not good. The location of the selected actor, for example. So my project is this: with Python, get the selected actor and update its transform. I want to set the location of the selected actor, for example. Will I run it? I mean, sure. You post, thanks. Editor get game view. Get current level. It might be in the get current level. No, that's not really what I was thinking either. Replace selected actors. uh, Because a lot of the time, destroy actors. Get all levels. Get selected level actors. Find all loaded actors that are selected in the... There it is, right here. Oh, they tell you what you want, where to start. Okay. So I'll pull this. I'll bring this over. So specifically, they're saying, hey, you know, this one here is deprecated in the editor level library. And they're saying, hey, go to here, right? So let's go to Python, Unreal Engine Python API. All right. So specifically, they want the editor actor utilities system. Ugh. Actor utility system. So what we're going to do is we're going to just like this. Utility subsystem. There it is. And then it was what? It was like get selected levels. Find utility widget from blueprint. That's annoying. I gotta say, they didn't do a great job at this. Editor allow grid. I suppose also the question is, does it still work? Like it might be deprecated, but does it work? Watch some YouTube, have a good stream, man. All right, well, thank you. Does work. I would say don't worry about it right this moment. Do you plan on upgrading to 5.4? Or is this a tool that you want to sell? Blueprint function library. Interesting. Use the function in the editor actor utility subsystem. Okay, so upgrading will make it more difficult. Oh, you know what? I'm in the wrong version, that's why. There we go. No wonder I wasn't able to find it. I was like, the fuck is going on here? Oops. I want to push myself a bit to learn more Python with Unreal. I'm going to be honest, I don't know if it's really that worth it. I'm going to level with you. I think they might have just broke this. Cuz it does not exist. Like straight up even in their documentation it doesn't exist. So it might be broken or it just might be undocumented at this time. But keep in mind, it is currently flagged as experimental. No, no, you're not. What I would suggest is, when do you plan on upgrading to 4.5? 5.4, sorry. Like what's your upgrade plan there? Okay, so just keep up with your current system until you find the what the fuck's going on? That's a lot of errors. God damn it. Yeah, no point in killing yourself over things, right? All right, well, that's a problem and a half. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so we'll open this up and maybe is this like a destroy here that I'm not thinking about? Ooh, excuse me. This is interesting. Oh, I see what's going on. There we go. I hate blueprints sometimes. Fuck blueprints. Yeah, no worries. I know it's not perfect, but at least I could help a little bit, right? I love that this works in all its glitchy and terrible glory. This is probably one of the worst ways to do this, by the way. Just like straight up. Apparently I have a notification. What the type of notification did I get today? There we go. It did it again. Hey Fox, how are the things? At least it only happened once. Destroy actor. I still don't entirely know what the issue here is. Runtime error attempting to access via property custom event other actor. But oh, but BP machine. Okay. I think I know what's going on there. This has to do with garbage collection. This is a garbage collection issue. Regarding one of the bullets. I wonder if this would solve it, like calling destroy on the client and the server. I hate the fact that I have to play two clients in order to get this to do the thing, though. I gotta make sure that, there's nothing getting in the way. Okay, here we go. And he's gonna die. And as soon as he dies, there we go. Everything falls apart right there. And there we go. Okay, so this does not work. This blueprint stuff doesn't work. Which kind of blows, but whatever. Sup, Kelsey? Yeah, of course I'm programming for fun. Who doesn't program for fun? Jeez. Why don't you program for fun? Oh, I have to delve into the world of C++ now. I wrote PowerShell today and it was terrible. Well, your first problem was that you were writing PowerShell. Let's be honest. let's just be honest at what the real problem here was. You wrote PowerShell today. I think this needs to be a multicast maybe, but like I don't want to make it a multicast. I want this not to be a thing, if I'm being honest, but like I think I just need to have a box. That kind of blows, but it is what it is. Poopy. I was hoping to make it a little bit more generic. Yeah, the first thing you have to keep in mind is don't write PowerShell. Voila, we solved the problem. How was your day though? Outside of the PowerShell team base. Hmm. All right, so we're gonna do a whole U property blueprint. No, yeah, blueprint read write. Blueprint read write. Edit anywhere. Category equals AG. It's going to be a T object pointer to the U box component. We're going to forward declare it. And we're going to say, what do I call this? I just called it box, right? I want to give it a more meaningful name. It was fine. Need to get the kid to bed now. It's not even that late. Base entry. Do 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 do. There's the base mesh. We'll put it right here. Create base Entry component. What did I use as the collisions for this? Overlap all. We're going to clear. Going to hit play. And we just want to see whether or not it works. Oops. I'm the wrong guy here. There we go. Here I thought his kid went to bed at like fucking 11 o'clock at night. For anybody unaware, Kelser and I raid together. We play the Vidya games together. There we go. Watch this. This. Oh, he died already. Wow, that was fast. There we go. Did we get lots and lots of errors? We didn't get any errors. Oh wait, because I disconnected everything, right? Yeah, I did. Okay. We need to do a destroy actor. And then this just comes over to here like so. Save, compile. That's quite the goat. I fucking don't have my thing open. Give me a second here. I gotta bring up chat. There we go. Did you have a good 40th birthday? Yeah, it was fucking amazing. I'm almost as old as you are now. There we go. So 412. How are the things? I did grab something today that I thought was kind of interesting. There we go. Now they're fucking. No. Oh, they're still working. What? Now it works? I don't even understand why this works now, but it was causing errors before. I think this is a race condition. It's the worst kind of it's the worst kind of error. It's a fucking race condition. Just like the worst. Day is all right. Being off work ill for the last 2 days. Pressing against my it's my spine. Hoping for surgery soonish. Oof. Wasn't it your Oh, wouldn't you like to know? It was my birthday on Sunday. So this is my second stream since my birthday. My girlfriend also is not in town. So I get to stream until I get to do all the programming now because she's not here. I'm not 10 years older than you. There's really easy math to figure out how old I am. And it involves the number 11. No. You're stop being a programmer. You've gotten off by one error. Of course, Lucifer. Hey, Kelser was in here earlier, Lucifer. Kelser, 6412, 6412. Sorry, Lucifer, 6412. 6412, Lucifer. Disgusting. I know, right? Fucking druid tanks. Nasty motherfuckers. Back that ass up. Wait, so is this error completely gone now? Like, is this just not going to be a problem? If I can ever hit this fucker. There we go. You figured what out? By the way, Lucifer, 6412 is a friend of mine from Welsh. Uh, he's actually in the he's in Patches' Discord. You have friends? Yeah, apparently. I have friends over in like the land of the Welsh. There we go. We fucked it. The glitches started. There we go. It's all broken. Wonder if it's one of these guys. If I delete one of these guys, will it work? No, it's just completely fucking borked. Huh. There it is, right there. This is 100% a race condition. Do you need to execute it on every tick? That will... will probably be sent before the destroy false boolean is... Oh, you know what? I think that it's because of this timer here. Fire gun, right here. What we got to do is we've got to do the get the actor, right? Get owning here is actor is being destroyed. A little and I've rejoined a bunch. What? Did you get banned off of a bunch of discords again? Why are you always getting banned? Why is it that you can't go like a month without getting banned from discords? That was my discord. Wait, is he even still in this discord? Who's Lucifer? Let's see if we can ping hentai. I don't see him. Fuck, that little fucking bitch left the Discord. What a little cunt swoggler. Yeah. He couldn't handle our amazingness, you know. Patch has changed his name to hentai on the Discord. Okay, so I think this might fix that problem. Because I think the issue is that they were being spawned and not destroying properly. Let's see if it works. Well, this is definitely a problem. He's not respawning. Attempting to access. They shouldn't. Ugh. I gotta figure this out. This is kind of a problem. The BP machine gun bullet. I guess what we got to do is we got to flag it for delete, right? It's currently set source control. No. Unreal Engine, don't delete until all bullet. Actually, I think at this point pooling is actually the answer. Damn. Like, hmm. Give the player a weapon. Okay, we're gonna just remove a bunch of things that I don't think that we need.
Hello, and this.
I've shown you that you can use the term.
Okay, we'll come back, but I want to just trim this down a bit. Okay. What we want to do is we want to remove any. We want to either. So we've kind of got two options. We either pool the AI units, so there can only be a certain number of them in the world at any given time. That kind of sucks. I don't love it because it creates a situation where like it's better, but I also don't love it because like it makes respawning a bit more of a pain in the ass. But it's not too bad, right? Okay. The other thing that we would want to do is we want to attach the summoned projectiles to the actor. Uh, Unreal Engine attach summoned files to actor who summoned them. How to fix implementing projectiles. Here we go. This new documentation infuriates the fuck out of me. I do not like it. I'm gonna have to get used to it though. Easy to yeah, it's I'm just I'm so used to the old docs that like when I come in here and I look at this, it's very jarring. And it makes it harder for me to figure out where I am and like where I'm going. I could attach sorry. I could I could do destruction by I don't know. I think pooling's still the way to go. Because pooling fundamentally gets rid of this, right? I'm still surprised that it's deleting it without clearing all the pointers to it first, though. I really need to figure this out at some point here. Where has this documentation been? Is this being like just is this new? This is like actually really good. It's like really, really good. I'm gonna bookmark this. Mm. Oh, sorry. Mm. Why does this need to kit tech? Gravity scale. Bounces. Don't do this. Don't add scene projectile. Do not add a scene component to your projectiles. I found that out the hard way. Hmm. It's weird. Actually, no, there's a bigger issue here. Because this is happening on the AI die, right? Okay, let's try this. Let's take another look at this. I don't know why this is happening. God damn it, that's exactly what I wanted. Fucking hell. There we go. Damn it. Huh. There it is. Oops. That's the wrong one. Wait, no, but this is executing through the team base. Wait a ding dong moment here. How in the blue hell are we already getting a... We shouldn't be here at all. Oh, they've got no team. I had a weird thing where I had a blueprint that randomly wouldn't work, but if I put a print string node, no, if I put strip, that's a race condition. It's almost guaranteed to be a race condition. Replace, okay, so replace the print with a delay of 0 and see if that fixes it. And I'll show you what a race condition is. Because I think that's what I'm dealing with as well. Actually, I know that's what I'm dealing with. Okay, so this is definitely a race condition on my side as well. Paint. Okay, so a race condition is pretty simple, right? Essentially, I have two threads, right? So modern CPUs have two threads or more, right? So let's say that we have two CPUs. This is going to be an overly simplified version of like what it is, but this is all you really need to know. How that worked. Yeah, so it's a race condition. Okay, so what's happening is you've got two CPUs, right? CPU 1 is executing something, right? And CPU is executing something as well. So like let's say we have a message that comes in, right? Comes in. Now this message has to do two things, right? Let's say it prints to the screen. Right? And then on another thread, right? So these would be your threads, right? CPU 1, CPU 2, right? So on another thread, it pushes to a network thing, right? Fuck. Let's say updates the database, right? Do right? Okay, so you've got a message that comes in, thread 1, thread 2, right? So this one here is CPU 2 and this one here is CPU 1. Right? So this makes sense, right? So they're operating entirely independent of each other, correct? Like you get that, right? That makes sense. Okay. So these run at the exact same time. They're both triggered at literally the exact same time. But when you're testing it on your system, this one always executes first for one reason or another, right? It doesn't matter. Right? When you're testing it for the first time, you build this out, there's no problems, everything works 100% of the time, right? And it's because the update DB happens all the time first, right? So when we go to here, right, let's say that it pulls from the DB for extra data. Right? And let's say on average, this takes 10 seconds. We'll just say 10 secs, right? To get to here, right? This here point takes about 10 seconds to get to, right? This one here updates DB, and this takes 9 on average. 9 secs, right? Yes, Lucifer. Okay. So because these happen in parallel, so they're happening at the exact same time, this can happen. This will normally happen almost every single time after this. Right? Actually, I should probably do this instead, right? Yeah, like D. So here, this is 10 seconds, right? So these are happening simultaneously, this one on average takes 9 seconds. So this one here takes 10 seconds, and then it can pull data from the database, right? But what happens if we hit here in 8 seconds? If we hit this point here in 8 seconds, we still haven't written it to the database. So now, essentially, we've pointed out that these two threads are essentially like cars, right? And they're racing to see who can get to the finish line first. Right? And if car won, so we want car 2 to win 100% of the time. Right? And if car 2 does not win 100% of the time, we have problems. Right? Yeah. So, what you can do is you could artificially say, hey, if we get here, before we hit here, before we go any further, delay 10 seconds, right? But now, right, this, or like 2 seconds or something like that, right? Like we could say 2 seconds. Now, this is more likely to always hit this correctly, right? Like we're never going to hit this at 8 seconds. Maybe, right? Or like if we say here just delay 8 seconds because this is acceptable to me, this can never hit at 8 seconds, right? It will always take a minimum of 8 seconds before we could even attempt to maybe start pulling from the database. And that's what we just did with the delay by 0, right? So what we could also do, right, and this would work, is we need to have something that essentially holds this here or flags something so it can be operated on later. Once this thread here completes, to notify this thread that you're okay to continue on. And this is my overly simplified version of like how race conditions work. Actually, I don't know if it's overly simplified, but like the idea is it's two pieces of code racing along, executing in parallel. And whichever one wins the race gets executed first and the other one gets executed second. And if you've programmed around one of them always winning, and there's no guarantee that that it's ever going to execute in that order because you can't guarantee it in multi-threaded programs, then you'll have a situation where one executes the one that you don't expect to execute is going to execute first at some point, and adding delays does not fix that problem. It's a band-aid solution until you hit a slower machine. Like another great example is like this error I have here, where right now the second player isn't always spawning, is actually a problem. That's a problem. That should not be happening. That's so cool. I suppose. It's definitely a thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit save. uh, I don't have, I would need examples. I would need a way to like visualize it in a meaningful way. And I don't really have that. So I can't really make the video, unfortunately. Or else I would do that, right? Um now well I guess you are a 3D artist, so you know. Well, no pressure. You are an artist, so you know. You might actually be able to help with that one. Okay, so I think this is the problem here, that this is not getting called, and that's actually a bit of an issue. So if I hit play, yeah, it's not being called. This, oh wait, there we go. That did not get called. Okay, look at that. Fuck. Is it overrideable? It's not, right? Get team. Where's the get team? There's the set team. Where's the get team? Get team should be here. Let uh left field question, and don't let it derail you. Too late. Your thought process, but figured I'd ask if you've ever done racing AI in Unreal. I have not. What's your question though? Left field anything? Yeah, it's not too bad, right? Holy shit, he's still going. I want to know what, that's not fair now. It's not fair. This is calling the wrong one. This should be calling the, no, wait. Yeah, no, it should be calling this. Give me a moment. Where's my component? Here. We should do this. I think this can be set up here though. Oh no, wait. We need the get owner, and the get owner I think needs to be down here. Oh wait, that's why we were waiting. Owner, there we go. Well, that's not annoying. Okay, actor component doesn't work with begin play. Unreal Engine actor component. Do. U component on component creator. You said actor component does not begin play. No, apparently it does. It's just not being hit by for some reason. Or my actor component's not being hit. Maybe. I think the answer is that we need to go look into that. So here's our actor component. There's the constructor. Whether the component is activated at create or must be explicitly activated. So it's probably an activated thing. On owner begin play. It's probably that. Thank you. Now the question is that fuck, I have to go read the documentation. Actor component on owner begin play. Here we go. What is it? Called when the component has been activated with it's probably this. uh, or this. Uh, activate at owner begin play, and that's part of the base engine framework. I don't know, talking out of my arse. Well, I'm not seeing like there's only one begin play, has begun play, receive begin play. Okay. Implemented blueprint implementable event for when the component is beginning play, called before its owning actor begin play, or when the component is dynamically created, the actor has already begun play. Race condition. It's not actually a race condition, but register this component created any registering physics state. Yeah, I think it might be. I think it might be the activate stuff. Uh, uh-huh. Pre-replicated. Oh, sorry. On actor enable collision changed. Needs initialization. Is component currently registered? Is owner selected? Indicates that on create component has been called, but on destroy component has not yet. This is kind of cool. Yeah. Just kind of sucks. Because I don't. Oh, you know what? This actually makes sense. You probably need to have this. Fuck me. Sorry. Okay. This is probably something. All right, so if we put that there, we open this up and we hit play. We're still not hitting it. Okay. Beautiful. Just do. I have another way of doing this. Not really my favorite thing, but it kind of works. Right there. Just absolutely amazing. There we go. Let's not pretend I've never done anything potentially a little bit intelligent that's fucking terrible. Don't do this. Maybe I'll check though. I have to check. I didn't mean to do that. Fuck. This is actually building. This is an error. I really don't like this. This pattern, I don't use it enough, and I always forget how it needs to be implemented. How to create an what is it? It's an initializer? Constructor. That's the word I'm looking for. A constructor for and actor component in C++ with the object initializer. Still wants it to be a const. Then what's the error here? Or is it something else? Give me a second here. Remember, player team is not initialized in the construct. What? Uh, there we go. Damn it. Didn't mean to hit that button. Good enough for AAA. No, I'll go back and play with it. I just want. Oh, this is. There we go. I'll go back and we'll play with it. I just want to see if it's gonna work. I do actually believe that it's better to do the whole like execute thing, personally. But like the whole like not to call this would be better. I mean to do it on to use pre-existing calls is always better. So sup, man? How are things going? So begin play. All we're going to do here is we're going to bring in the AG spawner and we're going to say start spawning, right? And this will just call it and we'll see if this solves the problem of our actors not having a team. Look at that. It went. And it executed. Look at that. Beautiful. Now let's step into this. Let's step out of that and we'll just go like this. Play until the next one. What is our team? Had to draw a diagram for my RPG architecture so I could work out how status effects apply to it. Oh god, that sounds so much fun. Wait. Player team. This. Player team. Blue team. Okay, we got the blue team. Beautiful. Frickin' amazing. Okay, we can go. We can keep going. This one will be red team, right? Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Wait, why are we spawning again? Weird. Okay. Well, that's a problem. I'm going to have to figure out why that's happening at some point. Why is this happening? This shouldn't be happening. There we go. They're still doing it. Uh, we hit this again. But this should not be able to happen. This should not be able to happen ever. Why does this hate me so much? Okay, so this is player character. Did you end up working out your status effects though? I feel like it's just in here too. Huh. I think I figured out what's going on here. That's good. You should definitely take a look into the gameplay tags though. Gameplay tags are super cool. I don't use them nearly enough. I should though. I really, really should. This here is the problem right here. This is the problem right here. And I know it's got to be the problem. A buffs that apply the damage phase where equipment K def values are summed up, or sleep confused that apply to or things that apply to movement, haste, and slow. There's so many things that you'll have to work out. Okay, I think I'm running this as okay, I'm running this the right way. So I'm gonna hit play. There we go. And then this player team is none. This is a race condition, but it's a race condition that I think I can get away with here. I do not like this at all. Because the team should be applied before we ever get here. Oh, sorry. I do not like this. Have you ever done something and just like, I hate everything about this and I do not think that this is how it should be done. But right now, just for the sake of this thing, I don't have a better way of doing it. That's how I feel right now about this code. Because right now, I just want to test this thing, but I hate every moment of it. But I think this is actually causing a lot of problems for me. Team is none. That's fine. For now. Team is blue. Say it loud, say it proud. Yeah, I don't have a game jammer's mindset. Neither do I. I've done things like game jams and stuff like that, and I should really have one, but I really just don't. I should change this. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we got red and blue. Player team is none. Fucking hate it so much. Red. What? 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 Blue team. Red team. How? This doesn't even make sense. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, wait. Resume. Red team. Blue team. What? Whee. Okay, I think I just solved the problem though. There we go. Solved the problem. Nope, no I didn't. Fuck. Alright, let's see if we get the weirdness again. Oops. Wait a second. My base is gone, that's why. Well, the base gets destroyed and it freezes the game. Sort of. It fucks the entire game. The entire game just stops working properly. It does not gracefully destroy. So I solved some other problems. But I didn't solve the problem that I was having. And the problem I was having was that the game was over. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. So what's happening is it's deleting the base, and I think it's causing some fuckery. uh, so much fun. So much fun. Sarah, I think that we should work out what was going on your thing at some point, by the way. Like fake out work it well, you should work out a solution to the issue that you were having. Not worried about it like right this moment, but at some point we'll have to. Okay, so I gotta go and track down where the base is getting destroyed. um it's in the actors. It's the team base. You'll get the project ready to send me. Is it a big project? Is it a project you're allowed to share? Callable when the game starts or when it's spawned. Where am I? I need to be in here. There it is. Okay. Yeah, we could do that. Let me take a look at that. Here we go. It has a spawn AI, which I don't even remember creating. Is this even being used? Find usage. It doesn't get used. All right, we're deleting it. Spawn AI. Spawn nothing. Okay. Fuck. Uh, is it because of the const? I'm fairly certain this is exactly what I returned. Was it not? Yeah, no, it's definitely there. Look at that. Uh, you know what? I think it's the const maybe. We're gonna double check. What? Function you Interesting. Okay, there we go. So interesting that this isn't working. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that's because you're on Windows. There we go. There we go. No, see, for I'm being completely honest. Windows and Python are not a good match. Like straight up, it's actually like a pain in the ass. Yay! Did it do it on both sides? No. No, it did not. What the fuck? Ow. That's cool. It should be doing it on both sides though. I think I did the on health changed thing wrong. But it's not just it's not broadcasting correctly. So that's fun. At least I know what the is going on now. God damn it. So I know the error that I'm getting. Uh, so how am I going to solve this? And it is happening on both sides though. Like, so this is being executed on both, which is kind of interesting, right? So like if I go here and I do trace log, or sorry, trace info, right? And we give this like there, right? Then we're just gonna like skip over this. We're not gonna do the delete, right? We just want to this does need to flag it for deletion essentially, but we don't actually need to delete it. We just need to flag it um for destruction, whatever our destruction is going to end up being, right? And then we want that to be on both sides. So that's fine. And then if we just hit play, we can trigger this and it will be perfect. I say perfect, but I don't actually mean that. So much fun. So much fun. It's the greatest thing. I ripped my headphones out. Part of me really wants to go have like a chocolate bar or something right now. Not going to though, because that would be bad. Oh right, I'm waiting for something to happen. Where's the logs? It's all just happening on the listen server though. Wait, what? Where's my logs? No, that's the build. Oh, wait. I probably need it to be like, there it is. Do. Okay, so we're gonna go like this there, and then we're gonna go like this here. And we can jump to here. Have a good rest. Have a good rest of your stream. All right. Thanks for stopping by. It was good to see you again. Then we go changed. It's right here. There we go. Uh, oh, be fatal. We're adding the gameplay hit is not fatal. Oh yeah, and then here we just want to try activating ability by tag. Oh, the tag system is amazing. But if you've not done it already, it's can be a bit of a pain. So I think this is probably where we want to do the this would be like an else race error character is dead, right? There we go. And this happens on all the things. So this is the same one that's executing on the base. Because I think if we scroll up a far ways, I don't know when it was dead. There it is. Oh shit, it's got a ton of health. No wonder it takes so long. Okay, there we go. Let's also do a screen debug. F color cyan. There we go. And then we're just gonna hit play and we'll see this happen. Now we'll get a log anytime something dies. It just keeps dying. Thanks for the great stream and teaching me so much stuff. Oh, I'm happy to help. I think I'm probably going to call it a night here too at 2.5 hours. I'm going to go raid somebody though. Anyways, thank you to everybody who showed up. I will see you again tomorrow for hopefully a bit of a longer stream. I will catch you all later. And thank you again for so much. Please be kind to the G-Man Rocks. He actually seems pretty cool. And see you tomorrow. Night.